Nice. Rubbery type of container. Item itself, it's a 28 millimeter f3.5, and it comes with 3 different filters, so you can get different types of shot. This is the second Lensbaby lens I own. I haven't tried this one out yet. I have the A7R, and I'm going to try it out on that. With the other Lensbaby, it's a really cool idea. So, with the other, let me just give you some, let me see if I can, these are the choices: sweet, velvet, and what did it say? Sweet velvet, and twist. So I guess when you take this off, this should turn somehow. Okay. And you choose, okay, I heard the click, and the click. So that'll allow me to choose between the 3 different types of photos I would like to take. It's always interesting using a Lensbaby. I know that I've gotten some really crappy shots with my other Lensbaby, but some really nice ones too that people comment on and everything. And so, you know, I like that idea of not knowing what you're gonna get until you take the shot. It's pretty cool. And these are the 3 different filters that comes with so at the end, I'm going to be taking some practice shots, try them out, the different shooting choices: twist, velvet, and sweet. So this is the actual, I'll get up close. And this will go on top here. That's that one. Let's go to the second one. this is okay. That's everything. Let me show you the first Lensbaby I got. So this is the first lens I got from Lensbaby. Like I said, I got a lot of crappy shots, but a lot of good ones too that people have commented on. So it's nice. You get that. You never know what you're gonna get with these lenses. That's what's nice. You know, I'm not an expert, so I just shoot, and sometimes they come out really, really nice. 56mm 1.6. So this is one of the first ones I had gotten. I really, really like it. So I'm want to try this out. I liked the option of being able to choose on the fly instead of having to take the lens out. Just twist it and get different shots of the same thing. So I'll probably at the end of this video, I'm going to be taking, this is my camera, the A7R, and I'm going to be taking sample shots on with this lens on here. As a matter of fact, let me put it on right now, and I'm gonna take probably a picture of one of my kids' toys or something and show you the three different, I'll take 3 different shots using the different options with this lens. Perfect. And let you look at them at the end. So, hope you liked the video. Wait for the pictures at the end so I can show you the sample pictures I've taken. Thank you. Bye.